Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are taking a detailed look at the Infinix 13 Pro 5G, one of the most awaited smartphones of 2026. The Infinix 13 Pro 5G is expected to feature a premium glass design with a slim and modern look that feels flagship level in hand. The device may come with a large AMOLED display offering a high refresh rate, making it perfect for smooth scrolling, gaming, and video streaming. Talking about performance, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is rumored to be powered by a powerful 5G processor, designed to handle heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and daily usage without lag. Combined with ample RAM and fast storage, this phone could be a strong performer in its price segment. Camera lovers will be excited, as the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is expected to feature an advanced camera setup with AI enhancements. Whether it's daylight photography, low-light shots, or video recording, this phone aims to deliver sharp and vibrant results. The front camera is also expected to be optimized for clear selfies and smooth video calls. Battery life is another highlight. The Infinix 13 Pro 5G may come with a large battery capacity along with fast charging support, allowing users to stay connected all day without worrying about charging. With 5G connectivity, Android's latest version, and smart software optimizations, the Infinix 13 Pro 5G could become one of the best value for money smartphones of 2026. If you are planning to buy a powerful, stylish, and affordable 5G phone, then the Infinix 13 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more latest tech updates and smartphone reviews.